Hey, math detectives! Today you'll learn a secret code called inverse operations to crack any missing number equation. Inverse operations are math's opposites that undo each other. Addition and subtraction are a pair of opposites, so you can flip a problem to make it easier to solve. Look at this. Blank minus 375 equals 158. Instead of guessing, use the opposite operation. Add 375 and 158. So the missing number is 533. Check it. 533 minus 375 really does give 158. Now try 27 plus blank equals 63. Flip it using the opposite. 63 minus 27. The missing number is 36. You can also count on from 27 up to 63 to double check. Bar models are another way to see inverse operations. The whole bar is 63, one part is 27, and the missing part is 36. When you know the total and one part, you subtract to find the other part. Your turn, math detectives. Pick one of these and solve it using inverse operations. Will you add? Will you subtract? Explain how you know your answer is correct. If you want more practice, ask your teacher or adult to grab the free Spark Edizone worksheets so you can keep training your inverse operations superpower. See you next time!